Hello, everyone. I'm Alexander, a digital marketing and engineer passionate about leveraging technology to make our lives better. Today, I want to introduce you to an exciting tool I developed custom GPT, Canada Building Code Advisor. This tool is incredibly useful for contractors, architects, designers, and anyone involved in construction projects in Canada or working with Canadian building codes internally. I use it personally for one of my clients to create content, write articles, post, and product description. But we're gonna dive deeper in all of it shortly. So you can find it in GPT store, or I'm gonna link it the link below, so like you can easily use it. So it's tool pretty accessible. So uh, Canada Building Codes are comprehensive and encompassing four main books. So like Canada, it's include four main books. It's building, plumbing, fire, and energy. So like national building codes. Like it's also I have some updates with Alberta edition and other province editions, but not all of them. So be aware. Maybe you need to create additional one or use some extra materials. So because the building codes are pretty a significant amount of pages, so NBC have 1,530 pages, National Energy Code around 316, plumbing 242, and fire is 355. Sometimes it's hard to cover all of it, but thanks God, ChatGPT helping us to work with it. As AI technology become more integrated into our daily lives, it's present opportunity to simplify complex tasks. So that's why I created Canada Building Code Advisor, like custom GPTs, using a custom GPT model. The best part, you don't need to pay. Like if you have free version of GPT, you can use it pretty easy. Just go for the link. This tool can assist you with several like main ways. So it's content creation. So like this is main purpose was that I was using it for. So it generate accurate content for website, clients communications, precise answer, get direct answer, specific building codes and questions, product descriptions. This is we use it for one other client for plumbing industry. I also share the examples in this video. And compliance checklist to verify that your project's plan meets the necessary code requirements. Were you a builder, contractor, plumber, electrician? The tool designed to make your job like much more easier and faster. So, for example, some examples that we can share. So, for example, remove a wall. So I'm planning to renovate a non-loading barrier wall, two-bedroom apartment. What requirement should I consider? So it's gonna take some time to process. So and it's gonna come up with a comprehensive answer based on the information provided on the all the code. So you can specify some necessary necessary things that you need to be considerate of or aware of. For example, for the one of the good examples that I was checking recently, it's about headroom clearance. So like the what is the headroom clearance should be in a different places. For example, in a bedroom, or in a basement apartment. So like you can see, it's giving exact numbers like measurements. We can also request the reference to specific code or section to have it. And for plumbers, it was one of the interesting cases that we use for the product description. Uh, it's about like here it's for fighters for fire things, and for plumbers, I'm gonna show you about product description and product. Sorry. for product description and product analysis. This is really interesting about minimum pipe sizes, specific requirements for water closets, and direct citation for national codes where you can easily refer to some of the aspects. So like you can see the water closet is draining space must be at least NPC 3 inches with bathtubs minimum 1.5 pipe requires, and also its water closet must have sufficient flash liters per flash LPF, so liters per flash. So like, and also we can request to double check all that information, so it's gonna give us efficiency, so save time on research through extensive book codes, so and also accurate, so it's more or less like sometimes it's like ChatGPT also not ideal. Sometimes it's makes some mistakes, so it's better to refer to a compliance like to the like for example, let's come back to headroom clearance options to see the exact numbers, like or refer codes that is that we need to refer to in our main documents. So like provide. So it's gonna give us an exact citation to codes that we need, that we can cross-check in a document, that like in a NBC code. So when we requested provide me with all reference code section, so it's provide us with a NBC section, so like a code number. So after that we can cross reference that section in our building code. So it's already find 16, yeah, 16 mentioning of this particular code. So this is ceiling height for the room spaces and the table. So here is the materials that he rely on. So this is why it's necessary to cross-check. While the Canada Building Code Advisor is a powerful tool, it's important to remember that the codes can vary by province and municipality. So always double check with the local authorities and professional engineer for specific project requirements. So like it's necessary to double check. This video about Canada Building Code Advisor are informational purposes, so like only and not to consider legal advice. So always consult with a professional before making any renovation changes. So and please have a try, like share some comments and idea, and thank you for joining me today. I hope you find Canada Building Advisor codes as helpful as I do. I included links to the tool and some useful prompts that described below. Feel free to try out and see how it benefits your projects. If you're interested in custom GPT solution tailored to your business needs, I'm here to help. Contact me and we can create AI assistants, content creation, and digital marketing for your business. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more interesting updates and insights, and share with anyone who may find the tool useful and interesting. Thank you again. Happy to building together.